right, y'all. So quick trade recap. I will just do a quick summary. You can watch the live trade. So today, 519, give myself 100%, 5 stars, A+ for following my trade plan and stopping trading when I said I was going to stop. So no over trading. Took one trade. It was a loss or a lesson is what it was. It was $130 negative day. Pretty much what happened, which again, this trade, I would take this trade again if I saw it in any other circumstance. I really would. We were on an uptrend, an extreme uptrend this morning when market opened, so we just shot right up pretty much. I didn't get the retest of the level that I wanted to get a retest on to take more entry to the upside. So what I did was I waited, and I waited to see on the 15-minute chart, which is my white chart you see on the right, my NinjaTrader chart. We had an area of resistance. That's where we dropped in pre-market. So I was waiting for a break of that and a hold of that level to continue to move up. We were holding that level for a pretty long time. And also what I was seeing on the 5-minute chart, which is to the left of that, we had a bull flag. So we had a break of that level, and then we tried to come down, and we're trading in like a channel to the downside, but still holding that previous area of resistance as a support. So I was waiting to see my entry, which you will see me circle where I entered in at, and not this one, my bad, but you're going to see where we broke out of the downtrend line and we retested it. So we broke out with those green candles, came back down on top of that red downtrend line, which is the bull flag, and we actually held it. And we had a pattern which was above the level that I wanted to take my entry on. So you will see me mark that within this video of where I took my entry. And I took my entry on the 2-minute. I waited to see that pattern on the 2-minute to get a closer risk, a smaller risk for my reward, because I wanted it really close to the level to avoid, just to have less of a risk for my reward. So I waited to see that pattern on the 2-minute, which you will see me mark pretty soon right here. That's where I took my entry. And you'll see me circle that. So feel free to watch the rest of the trade. Again, this is a breakout of a bull flag, a pattern, a break and hold, and the pattern was on my level. However, when we went did like another retest, we kind of went a little, we pulled back a lot further. So that's what took me out of my position, and I don't know what happened next because I closed my chart. So I'm not sure if we continue to skyrocket, which I would not be surprised because we have been in an uptrend, and we definitely had another leg to go. But that is the name of the game. Sometimes in trading you can do everything right, and I'm not going to act like I'm just this person that it doesn't bother them. I'm working through being that person where it's very mechanical for me. I'm still that person, that trader that kind of sometimes can get irritable if it doesn't go the way that it shows it should, like especially based off of patterns and levels and waiting. I can get a little irritable, and that's something that I'm working on, being more mechanical. And I didn't move my stop loss farther back. I actually moved it just right below the previous candle, and it was also enough room under the level as well, so it could have some room to to move and groove for its way up. But yeah, as we see where I circled, that was actually a level as well, so it wasn't just in the middle of nowhere. And we had a little breakout candle above. It looked like we were gonna start to move and groove, but surprise, yeah, it didn't. So I'll let you all watch the rest of this video here. And also for accountability, I uploaded my trade. You will see me upload the trade that I took into TradeZilla, showing the loss. And this is what we'll be doing for the rest of the month here. We are going to document my journey of profitability and my journey of discipline, really, my journey of discipline and consistency, no matter what, embarrassing or not. Because I'm telling you, uploading losses can feel, it just makes me feel so vulnerable. Like, people already doubt trading, or can sometimes doubt the validity of trading. And it's like when speaking to me, if you show losses, it's kind of like you're proving them right in a sense, but I know what it is. But yeah, that's just me. Human, that's just me. But all right, I'll shut up now and let the rest of the trade play out so you can see how I lost my money through the retracement. But we live to trade another day. I will see you all tomorrow, and I'll hopefully do a trade recap. Well, not hopefully, I'll do my trade recap if I trade. If I don't trade, it's no upload. But even if I can't do a full breakdown like this, I'm going to upload something to just document the trade.
Stop filled.
Where I'm at today, this month. Where are we at? Why is it are we in May? All right, so today I have a net P&L of 130 today. Again, followed my plan. 10:30, stop trading, didn't take another trade. We're consolidating. I really feel like we're going to pop, but what happens now does not concern me at this point. The trade that I took, yes, I would take that trade again. I would definitely take that trade again in the future. It was very clear as far as like what I like to see to take my entries in other circumstances and normal volume without the consolidation, and more than likely would have moved in the direction I wanted to. So this is where we're at month to date when it comes to my my profit. I'm at $7.50. So all right, told you guys I'm going to be transparent, and I'm going to make sure I upload all my trades when I take a trade, win or loss. Have a great day. Bye bye.